I'm Ryan from Samson, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Escape Plus and your Express Plus. We're going to need a new battery, and we're also going to use either a drill or a screwdriver. First, we're going to place the speaker on its face. And now we're going to remove the 10 screws holding the mixer back in. And now we're going to lift the back panel out. There are going to be a couple cables attached, so be sure not to move it too far so they don't break. So now in here what you'll see is 4 screws, and we're going to unscrew those now. And now we're going to lift out the plastic tray that was holding in, and beneath that, the 2 bars that were holding in the battery. Now we can pull the battery out with the strap, and you'll notice that it's connected, the red wire to the red terminal and the black to the black terminal. And we can remove the red terminal and the black terminal. And you just want to use this loop again to put around your battery so that you can pull it out again if you need to in the future. So now to replace the battery, we're going to put that loop back on. I'm going to connect this red cable to the red terminal and this black cable to the black terminal. And lay the battery down flat. Next, I'm going to put in the 2 bars that hold the battery right into their slots. And these are going to get screwed in with the screws that hold down the plastic as well. And this doesn't need to be super tight, just snug. And now we're going to put the mixer back in place, making sure not to pinch any of the cables. And now we're all set. When you first put a new battery in, be sure to charge it overnight to get the most life out of your new battery.